आपको लेके आए हैं ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट एरिया के कुकू क्लॉक शॉप में. दिस इज़ अ वेरी फेमस, वेरी पॉपुलर, hand crafted, made in Germany cuckoo clocks. They have a variety of clocks. One is with the battery, another one is pure mechanical one. The mechanical ones are more popular, but you need a lot of information to assemble it and to use it at your home. And battery ones are simple to use, of course, but both have a different way of operations. So whatever you like, this is in the TTC Lake area. You can come here, shop, and experience this. Thank you so much.